Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is another wig, kind of. This is actually not a wig, though I've made this hair into a wig. This is actually crochet hair from Divatress, of course, and it's the Xpression Curlette hair. It's from Outre, and this is how it looks in the box. I used about 4 packs to make this wig and a little bit of the 5th pack right here. So it comes with a crochet loop, so it's really easy. This is how it would look if you didn't cut it like I did. I actually wanted this wig to be nice and big, but I just got carried away with cutting it so much, and now this is the length that it's at. It looks very similar to the nail wig that I reviewed as well, so you know, it's almost like I have 2 of the same wig. But this is how the hair looks. It's very voluminous. Now, I made this wig on the wrong wig cap, and how I looped it through the cap was very off, so it's very uneven. That's on me. It's not really the hair's fault that I made this mistake. So, but other than that, the hair is really nice. I really love the curls. It's really similar to the Naya wig, but the texture is different and this color is different. I got it in the color 1, and the texture of this is more rough. It's not as soft as the Naya wig, but I don't mind that. Like, I still love it. I still love how it looks and how the curls look. It's 20 inches, and I'll show you guys how the curl looks. And I like that the box comes with all these tips and tricks for maintaining your hair and taking care of it. So don't be confused like I was when I first got this hair. So the curl literally comes like this. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, this looks kind of short. It doesn't look like, even when I stretch it out, I don't know if that's exactly 20 inches. So you take this loop that you have here and you open it and separate it, and then you get the full length of the strand. So it definitely is very long, as you can see. From there, you know, you can just take it and crochet it into the hair. So as you can see, yeah, I cut it off a lot, and even when you start to separate the curls, the hair will get bigger and longer, and it's really beautiful. If I can find the footage, I'll show you guys how it looked when I was first making the wig. But yeah, you pretty much just take it apart, loop it through the wig cap, or loop it through your cornrow if you're installing this on your actual hair. I have so many wigs to review, so I don't really have the time to wear a crochet style, but you can loop it through and that's how it would look. This hair is also really durable. I love how it bounces and everything. So you can see like the unevenness when I move my head around. There's a lot of hair concentrated in certain areas more than others, and so I just have to deal with how I did this. When I want to wear a head wrap, I love using this wig since it's, you know, obviously a little bit uneven. This is the hair you guys saw me do with my little head wrap tutorials on my Instagram. So yeah, this is that wig. I absolutely love it. The curls are beautiful. I really love the volume. I love that it gets bigger every time you separate a curl. It does get frizzy, so be wary of that. It gets frizzy after you've separated the curls a lot. I typically like the frizzy look, like you guys know, so I don't mind that it's all frizzy like this. And I did not cut this evenly either, so this is just a whole uneven mess, but I sort of get away with it if I can just pull in the right places, trim some other places. I really love this hair. I think it's so pretty. I definitely want to get this hair again and make the wig that I envisioned instead of what I ended up with. I know now how I could go about getting the desired look. I wanted my wig to look more like this, but like I said, I got carried away with cutting the hair and then I installed it wrong, so it's my fault. And I love that with these, they made them look really nice on these models. Like sometimes when you see crochet hair, it just looks odd because it looks like they just slap it on there and don't try to make it look nice. But it looks like you can create some really cool styles with the other size curls, even with this one as well. So yeah, this is what that hair is. Each pack comes with 20 strands. Like I said, I used 4 packs and then I used a little bit of the 5th pack. I haven't even washed it yet, and I didn't even need to. I haven't been wearing this one as much as my nail wig, so I haven't needed to even maintain it that much either. I pretty much just toss it anywhere and then put it back on. All I have to say is that it gets a little bit frizzy as you separate the curls and obviously as you wear it more, and also it is a rougher texture. Like, it feels rough a bit, and it can be a little bit itchy at times, but I don't mind it. I think it's completely normal for synthetic hair to feel this way. I don't mind that it's rough. Since this is a review, just letting you guys know so that, you know, if you're interested in this hair, just be aware of all of these things. But yeah, I absolutely love this hair. I don't have any complaints about it. It doesn't shed at all. It shouldn't, since, you know, it is just tied to your hair. I don't comb it out at all, so it doesn't shed for me. And yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about this wig either. It's just a really cute and protective hairstyle. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this review. Again, this is from Divatress and this is Crochet hair. I will leave the links down below to this specific hair and also to their website so you guys can check out everything that they have. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I have nothing bad to say about this hair either. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Hope you like this video. Again, make sure you thumbs up, make sure you have your notifications on, because I'm coming out with these reviews like it's like like there's no tomorrow. I'm just whipping these out just so you guys can have these available to you. You guys know what I'm rocking and I don't need to keep repeating myself on social media. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Hope you like this hair that I have, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.